Yamaha is revolutionizing personal watercraft riding with an all-new intuitive driving experience, unlike anything the industry has ever seen. Introducing Ride, the world's first dual-throttle handlebar control system. Ride is easy, fun, and intuitive. Pull the right lever to accelerate, and the left lever to decelerate and reverse. Release both levers for neutral. Pull them both or in any combination, and the system reacts with precise control. Operation is simple with no manual shifting, no gears, and no complicated processes. Benefits include enhanced handling and smooth deceleration. The patented bucket design ensures maximum control at all speeds. Water is forced out of the sides of the bucket, allowing the driver to maintain complete directional steering control with no nosedive and increased stability. Deceleration distance is reduced by 30%, and the sideways thrust enhances turning ability. Docking and slow-speed maneuverability is simple and precise, providing driver confidence. There has never been anything like Ride. This innovative system allows you to do things on the water that weren't possible until now. There's only one way to ride, and it's only available from Yamaha.